planning and executing it. So, here we go.
Name of the lesson is The Last Lesson and its author is Alphonse Daudet. To understand and enjoy the lesson, let's go to the France, Europe, actually of 250 years back. What do we see here? Wars, France, Prussian War, and France has lost the battle. It's Germany who is going to overpower it now. Okay, forgot about the war. Let's walk around the France. Two of its border town, Alsace and Lorraine.
Wow, what a beautiful town is Alsace from. Woods, church, greenery. Here is a town hall also. Can you see a bulletin board there? What do they do with bulletin board? Wow, what a wide street it is. Hey, I can see a double-story building. There is a garden around this building. Wow, it has flower beds, walnut tree, hope vine. OMG, it is a school. A school confined to one big room. It is a school room. Look at the French window. You can see inside the schoolroom from the window. There are wooden desks. Lots of desks in it.
Hi, let's meet the students. Franz. Yes, he is Franz. See the way he is walking. Seem he is unhappy. He has a bag, but he is looking toward the Persian soldiers. He is interested in watching their drill. Hey, he seemed to like watching wood also. I think he want to bunk the school. No, he is not stopping. Let's read his mind.
Life of a student is very tough. My teacher, Mr. M. Hamel, is such a strict teacher. I have not done my homework. Rules of participles, he would scold me. I hate books, they are so heavy. I don't like Mr. M. Hamel. He keeps rapping his ruler. He is a cranky man, but I must go to school.
Hi, let's watch Friends. He is on his way to school. See, he has not stopped at town hall. There are so many people standing around bulletin board, but this boy is not stopping. Must be scared of his teacher. Oh, he has started running. Let read his mind once again.
Oh, finally I have. What? No noise? It's so silent. It's like Sunday morning. No noise of wrapping of ruler, opening of desks, reciting of lessons. Oh, I can see. Oh no, everyone is seated. I'm Hamel walking. I'm going to get scolding now. Why things are so strange today?
Yes, Franz is right. Things are strange and unusual today. Mr. Hamel has his special dress. He is talking so politely. And look at the back benches. Villagers are sitting on them. Let's see what Mr. Hamel has to say.
Good morning, my children. This is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. The new master comes tomorrow. This is your last lesson. I want you to be very attentive.
What is that news? It is really shocking news. Franz seems so upset, shocked, and sad. These villagers too look so emotional. They must have come to thank Mr. M. Hamel for his 40 years of service. Let's see what Franz is thinking about.
What? I would not get chance to learn French? I hardly know how to read and write French. These books are my real friends. Mr. M. Hamel is such a nice person. Oh no, it's my turn to recite the rules of participles. I don't know a single word. I wish I could speak the language properly. I am sorry for M. Hamel also. What is there in his mind?
I have worked as a teacher for last 40 years, but I failed to motivate you to learn French. You to be blamed for postponing the learning. Parents send their children to farms
I used to be declare holiday, often to go for fishing. We all are to be blamed for not learning.
Mr. M. Hamill seems so emotional. He is giving his final speech. He is praising French language. See how emotional he looks. He is saying that French is the most beautiful and logical language. I can hear him requesting his students to guard their French language. It can help them to get back their freedom from Germany.
Oh, so much emotions. Let's see what is going on in class actually. There they have grammar lessons. Mr. Hamel is teaching so well. Now they have writing session. Everybody is so silent. I can hear the sound of scratching of pen over the paper. What is Franz thinking? He is not paying attention to writing. I can see.
I am so sorry for Mr. M. Hamill. He is gazing at everything so intently. He has been teaching in this schoolroom for so long. Now he will have to leave. He is behaving so bravely even after that news. He is teaching so patiently. Oh, it's church clock. Time for school to end. It is just unbearable to see Mr. M. Hamill in this state. He is not able to address us. He is choked with emotions. What has he written on board?
Mr. M. Hamill has written Vive la France on the board, which means Long live France, and the school was dismissed. That's all.